This video shows you how to use change management. Changes are trackable items in Service Desk that help your team plan, approve, build, test, and finally implement a change. My dashboard by default shows my 4 changes, or I can select all users on the right to show changes by all users, including, for example, Fred Flint here. It shows the change number, the priority, the title of the change, who it's assigned to, and by colors where there's been progress in each of the phases, the number of issues that have been identified, and the due date. Let's take a look at my example, install Service Pack 3 on Exchange. I can click on these 3 bars to see the different phases of the change. In the plan stage, I see the priority, the due date, and a calendar picker, and the plan submit date and the type of change, how significant it is or minor. I've got the description and the reason, justification, and discussion back and forth where there's several team members can participate. Near the bottom I've got impact analysis, complexity, high, medium, low, and the risk, high, medium, low, as well as the estimated number of hours. And I can also use the time feature over here to record how much time I've spent on it so far. And finally at the bottom I can see the submit for approval button, and it shows the different people that I can submit for approval, and only one of these needs to approve it. Let's go over to the build screen. In the build screen I have build instructions and some progress notes as you go along, and on the test page I have the test plan along with different users that test different portions and issues that have been identified by technicians along the way. Like most items in Service Desk, the watch listers will get notified whenever there's changes. The right panel shows how this change is linked to other items such as problems, and this problem here is the email server loses connection, and that in turn is related to 3 incidents. Also, there are 3 affected items in configuration items. For example, the mail server, the test mail server, and the Exchange software. Now I'll show you where to set the approvers. Settings, Services, IT Support, Changes, Approvers. We see a list here, and Chris, Hugh, Mike, and Stephen are considered approvers, and it's only requiring one of those to be approved. If you want all, you click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching.